Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Skyriter here on the bench. Just fixed the margin racks on it. Margin stop over here was not stopping properly, but I had to take this back panel off to get to that, so it's still off. Primarily because this piece is bent and we need to bend it back, form it back. So this piece here where it says Skyriter, really when it's mounted, it's tilted all the way forward. It's got to be bent. It's been bent. So I'm going to reform it back. But I wasn't sure, if I should do it with I usually do it when it's attached to the machine still, because it gives you a leverage points and you can kind of manipulate it. But this piece also was loose, so I wanted to see how that attached. I kind of forgot. I remember now. It uses these little tabs right here, and this one is broken, not uncommon. And then this little tab on that side is the one I'd like to get back in there. And then you gotta form it right through up here, make it stay. So, and it's a little bit bent. See, it's a little bit bent. So we're gonna try to first take this off, not bend this side over here. Get it off like that. And then we want to form this back, and it is easier when it's in the machine, so I don't have a way to hold on to this. Form it back at the same time. I'm not sure how to do this, but I think it actually is just right. This aluminum piece right here has got to go back just by itself. It's not really this panel is bent. See, it looks pretty straight. So it's pretty much going to be in this silver aluminum bracket. And we're going to try to form this back without breaking. Okay, I got it back some, but really doesn't feel like much. I'll go some more. I got it back pretty good. So now when it's in there, and these guys, they come down, look at, they almost line right up to those holes there. Okay, so that's pretty good. Let's see about bringing these back a little. Okay, so those are right on the back panel. Let's get this little piece out here and see if we can manipulate this back into place. This had a little bend to it. Yeah, see, so it's got to see if I can bend this back. In fact, I'm going to use here and try to straighten this out a little bit. And this side's got a little bend right there. Got not too far right here. Got this side in first, but I want to put this side in first. So I can put that piece in, then this piece here. There it goes. Now, let's see if I can bend this piece right in here so it will stay where I put it. Okay, let's get a small screwdriver here. Let's see if I can bend this so it stays. Okay. Now, it's just got this bulge right here, which I didn't notice. That kind of just fell back into place. Okay, well, that's not looking too bad. Let's stick it on here and see how she works, or how she looks. This side was a little trickier to get off because I had to go around that stud back there and then above the slots here. So this was a little tricky just to get out. I think it's going to be pretty tricky to get in. Now, yeah, that's gonna be pretty tricky. Tricky, come on. Almost feels like it's there. There it goes. There it goes. On this side. It's kind of this tricky little thing too, but it should go much smoother. Just like that. Okay, So I think I should probably tighten up these little guys here to make sure they pop through the holes right. Okay, that one looks good. And that one looks good. So then all we have to do is tighten on the rack here. Just like that. This side too. And that's it. So, how's she look? I think I could go back a little further, but let's see. It lines up perfect with these holes. This one maybe come out a little bit. Yeah, I don't want to go any further. It just started, this piece wanted to start coming, peeling off. When I started flexing it, I think I'm going to leave it. I think I'm going to leave it. Alright. I'm going to make sure that margin is lining up still. Looks good. Alright. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.